Everybody, this is Brian back with an Algorand ALGO token update here. You can see this market is starting to move again here. We got some RSIs resetting on these charts, and looks like things are playing out like we have planned here. So we're going to dig into this chart a little bit deeper here in a second. I want to go through a quick article here with you guys, and if I could ask you to please hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate that very much, guys. Going to do another giveaway at the end of the month. We just gave away 100 ADA on April 1st, and the very last day of the month we're going to do that again, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. And also I do a lot of trading myself on KuCoin. If you're interested in anything like that, there's a link in the description of the video for 20% off of trading fees. KuCoin sent that. If you go sign up on your own, you don't receive anything off. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and check it out. But let's move on here. Got something here. This article just came out today. Algorand price prediction: will upward momentum persist? It says here Algo is trading at 0.2278, which we have broken that today, with a gain of 0.40% during the last intraday trading session. It goes on down here to say that Algo is trading at 0.227 with a gain of 0.4% during last intraday trading session. The pair of Algo Bitcoin is trading at 0.1234567079496 with an incline of 1.37% in the last 24 hours. The ongoing bullish trend might take the price to the primary resistance of 0.236. It may reach the second resistance at 29 cents. Alright, so we're coming up to that 236 now. As previously, the sellers might attempt to bring the downward curve. The coin might lose its potential and the price may drop to the primary support of roughly 19 cents, and it may also drop to the secondary support of 16.3. But now the coin is following the upward curve. So it says the volume of Algo has inclined by 10.5% in the last 24 hours. That's good to see for price momentum. The increase in the volume indicates that the short selling pressure over the coin is decreasing. The sellers are losing their grip over the coin. The volume to market cap ratio is 0.0483. Alright, so let's move on here. I want to show you your here's the crypto bubbles. This is on the daily. Got a lot of these RSIs pulling back. Got a couple coins. Well, there we go. It just updated and looked like a lot of the RSIs are resetting. I know Bitcoin on the hourly is starting to move up again. I apologize. I try to refresh this every 10 minutes or so, and that's how quick things can change in this market. So this is on the day. I'm going to show you the hourly so you can see right there. Look at all that green. Wow. Only FTT down there. FTX, I don't know if you heard rumors going around that possibly could open back up again. I don't know. I don't read too much in the rumors, but that sent that thing just tearing the other day. So here's your crypto fear and greed index. We're going to reload that real quick. I'd like it to be up to the second. Here we go. Market cap is up 1.29%. Volume is down 12% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is dropping a little bit more. It was down to 44 yesterday. It's down to 43.9. It's down about 0.5% today. And we are at a 68 for the crypto fear and greed indicator. That's what we were at yesterday. We're still in the greed. If we move on here, the coin market cap. There we go. Here's your top gainers and losers for the day. Got Casper Network on top there. Not real familiar with that coin. Seen it. Rocket Pool. Rocket Pool. I'm not even sure what that is, but not sure. Must have made it in the top 100, obviously. And if we go down through here, you can see what we got. They're very small on the right hand side. Very small. Them RSIs are all resetting. Alright, let's move on to this chart here, guys. I want to show you guys. I apologize, my neighbor, it sounds like he's starting to cut his grass right as I start to do a video, so I apologize for that. Let's get over here and take a look at this thing. We're ready to test that major resistance at that 0.236. Let me put my support and resistance lines up here. All right, see now I have this at 0.233. Okay, now his chart might be different than mine, but that lines up with major resistance level. Oops, I apologize. Let me get my pointer here. Right over here. Okay, and this is on the 4-hour chart. You can see that it's been it was major support for this trend here. Okay, and then when we fell through it, we came back up, got rejected off it. We did poke through it there, but ended up falling back down. We got through it one more time and then got knocked back down. Okay, to really be convinced of a breakout on this thing, I'd like to see it take out, you know, this let me get a line up here, right up here, this former high. Okay, up at 2411. Okay, that's our former high right here. We never got past that, so be nice to see it bust up above that. That would be real convincing. But this thing right now looks like it's finishing actually a 5-wave up here. I'm going to show you guys. This is on the 4-hour chart. This thing looks like it's playing out perfectly. I took a small long on this thing, but this would be your 4-wave, then your 5-wave. Okay, I expect this thing, if we look at these RSIs, look at this 4-hour, this thing looks perfect. It really does. It's pointing right back up just like we want it to. Let me darken this so you can see it a little better. I try not to interfere with my chart too much with these things, but that 4-hour, let's get it on the 1-hour. You see the 1 hour is coming up. The 8 is at the top, and the 12 is at the top, you know. So I'm kind of expecting one more pretty good push out of this thing to get that 5th wave here. This also marked our breakout pattern, or breakout of this wedge. You know, it marked our price target, which we actually hit that a couple days ago. But you know, if you take the width of that wedge and you move it over here, you know, that was our price target right there, and they usually always work out. It absolutely did. Waiting for that final push up here. You know, we might end up poking up through here and then hitting this resistance up at that 24 cents. Not real sure, but a lot of them RSIs are getting to the top, which kind of is demonstrating maybe one more push. That daily is right at the top, and if I show you Bitcoin real quick, it looks like yeah, it's making one more push up here. Let me get on my clean chart. There we go. Get rid of that. Yeah, you can see this is on the daily chart, so Bitcoin obviously is going to have a little bit of a cooling off period. It looks like the 4-hour is turning up, so that's where I'm expecting one more push up out of this thing. The 1 hour is probably at the top. It is, and your 8 is down at the bottom. That's nice to see. And your 12 is coming down, but starting to curve. You see that curve right there? It's starting to curve back up. So I believe Bitcoin definitely has another run in this thing. I'm not sure. I was expecting an ABC correction up here, especially with all the RSIs getting up there, and that ABC would mean, you know, I could see Bitcoin coming up and hitting this 702 at 30,695, and then coming back down and doing that, finishing that ABC that I've been talking about with this thing. Usually, you always have your, you know, this would be an A, your B up to the 702, and then your C leg, you know, which the measured move would be right down around 30,000 bucks. You know, for that C leg. What this thing did, if I show you here, I apologize, there goes my neighbor now, one of them loud trucks, which I don't mind, but I'm doing a video, it's a little annoying. Let me show you this 5 waves this thing just had up here. Okay, you can see the 1, 2, this 3 wave is always your impulse wave, your longest wave. Your 4th wave is normally your biggest pullback. Okay, a lot of times these things will come down right to the top of that 1st wave, but this one didn't. Bitcoin's showing strength. Then we had that 5th wave. Whoops, sorry about that. and we had that fifth wave coming up here. Okay, usually you have a 5, and then you have 3, and then you have another set of 5. That's how the Elliott waves go. So looking for that ABC correction up here. I'll be keeping an eye on that. If I see Bitcoin break through the let's get a price here. If I see Bitcoin break through 30,000, say 30,700, then it'd be maybe this ABC is out and we're going to higher prices. But I'm going to keep an eye on that thing the rest of the day. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please leave a like and please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me. Thank you.